Using Tranquilvibes is easy and comes with everything you need for up to 20 minutes of controlled moist heat. Start by ensuring your eyelids are properly cleansed with our included tea tree eyelid and facial cleanser. Plug the black USB power cord into the Tranquilvibes goggle. Moisten the white fabric pockets in drinking or bottled water. Activate 2 Instance gel packs by clicking the metal disc inside, generating heat. Then place the gel packs into the moistened white fabric pockets. Gently lift each vibration ring up and place a moistened pocket with activated gel pack into each eye cup. Then place a disposable cotton liner over the goggle and spray with the included soothing eye mist. Attach the black USB cord to your freshly charged battery pack. Then place the battery pack into the blue carrying pouch. Set a timer for 20 minutes. Place the pouch around your neck. Place the Tranquilvibes goggle over your closed eyelids and press the power button on the battery pack to turn it on. The rings provide a gentle, relaxing vibration over the orbital bones. When your timer goes off, remove the Tranquilvibes goggle. Unplug the black USB cord, dispose of the cotton liner. Once all of your Instance gel packs have been used and have hardened, reset them back into a liquid state by placing them in a boiling pot of water. Boil for 5 to 7 minutes, ensuring the gel packs are completely submerged. Once liquefied, remove the Instance gel packs with a spoon and place on a towel to cool.